some bikers on the way home from the movies, y'all.
What up? I seen y'all pass off. I gotta catch up. Hey, did you guys just come by down San Mateo and then turn?
Yeah.
Yeah, I seen y'all. I was at the movies right there. What's your name, bro?
I'm Christian, man.
Oh yeah, two lanes Nick.
Oh yeah, I've heard about you.
Hell yeah.
How you doing, man?
Pretty good, bro. Just heading home.
Yeah, us too.
Hell yeah.
Ride safe, brother.
You too, man.